Welcome back to Creative Visualization and Ideas for Wellbeing. I'm Martha Thompson. I hope you are benefiting from the exercises. Today's exercise is about letting go. Letting go can be difficult. We might have low self-esteem and coping skills and don't want to leave a relationship, but we need to let it go to find ourselves. We might have been hurt and now feel embarrassed and angry. And when we feel wronged, it can be hard to let go. So we hold on to the resentment and it then festers into bitterness. But we need to let go, otherwise it will make us ill. So letting go is very important. Or maybe we have to let go of being frustrated or the need to be right. Or maybe we need to stop pleasing others. So by letting go of certain insecurities and fears and addictions would bring us peace and balance. Therefore, letting go is necessary for our well-being. Today's exercise is called Claiming Back Ourselves. To assist you in this visualization, you'd benefit from evaporating 2 drops of Bergamot essential oil in a tablespoon of water in a diffuser a few minutes before the exercise. And as I always say, you are important, and therefore by engaging with me today, you are taking care of yourself. So well done. So finally, at a time and place you will not be disturbed, sitting upright with your feet firmly on the floor, with eyes closed. And I shall now begin a visualization called Claiming Back Yourself, in order that you can let go. Make sure you are comfortable, sitting upright with your feet on the floor or lying down flat on your back with closed eyes. Breathe deeply and slowly from your abdomen, relaxing more and more as you breathe in and out, in and out, in and out, becoming more and more relaxed with each breath as you join the rhythm of the universe. Relax, 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 relax. You find yourself walking through a forest on a clear sunny day. Beneath your feet, the earth feels soft and is littered with pine needles that you can smell on a cool breeze. You tune into the stillness of the forest and you feel safe and comfortable. Sunlight cascades through the trees and falls on your shoulders, and a wave of peace flows through you. As you continue walking through the forest, you can hear gushing water. You are approaching a pool of clear water formed by a waterfall and a stream. Splashing and rippling drops of water sparkle like diamonds and cascade down the waterfall into a rippling bed of water into the small pool. It is a beautiful sight to behold. You put your feet into the pool and it is not as cold as you expected, but a perfect temperature. It is so tempting. You strip off your clothes and put them on a rock at the side of the pool. You then slip into the pool and feel the cool, wet and silky water against your skin. It is deep enough to cover your chest, and you let yourself melt into the water. There is no fear. It feels right. You look up into a pastel blue sky and at a golden sun. You feel happy and glad to be alive. This is blissful. You then make your way over to a rock just under the entrance of the small waterfall opposite you. As you sit beneath the cascading water, falling over your head and down your body, the pressure of the water is invigorating. You feel cleansed, joyous, and uplifted without a care in the world. A feeling now rises up that makes you recall what you need to let go for your body, mind, and spirit to be renewed and balanced. As these thoughts and feelings surface, the sparkling and cascading water of the waterfall washes them away, leaving you feeling refreshed, cleansed, and able to see things anew. Hold on to this feeling. It belongs with you. As you get up from beneath the waterfall, you feel lighter, and as you walk back to the rock to put on your clothes, the sun has dried you perfectly. When you pick up your clothes, you notice they are different. They are beautiful and feel wonderful as you put them on against your skin. They reflect how you feel right now, beautiful and wonderful. As you walk back through the forest, the air feels cleaner, cooler, and colors are brighter. You feel like you could skip and dance because you are delighted to just be without a care in the world. Hold on to this feeling. You know it is now time to leave, but will be able to return back to the waterfall whenever you need to. But right now, you want to celebrate claiming back yourself, your balance and peace. You now become aware of the sound of your breathing. Wriggle your toes, open your eyes, and you are now wide awake.